met up with
tell my friends I'm leaving.
the other couple that we're friends with and them. They were
This is not goodbye.
I feel like my camera is like blue. Is it just me or does it look blue? But what's up, guys? So today is prom. It's my first and last prom and I'm looking a mess, so please don't look at me. But today I have a lot planned in a short amount of time. Like, this lighting is really making me angry. I don't know what's going on.
What the heck is going on?
It's like 1 o'clock right now, or like it's, yeah, like 1 o'clock almost. And I have to go get my nails done, and I have to do my hair, and then I have to go drive to my friend Jade's house, who's my best friend, who I'm going to prom with. And we're gonna go do our makeup, then we're gonna go back down to the city and take pictures, and my dad's gonna meet us to take pictures, and then we're gonna go to prom. Well, the problem is, first off, I've been sick for the past 2 weeks, and second, it's like 1 o'clock. So I'm hoping I will have enough time to do everything. And third of all, I was gonna have my friend Kat, which you guys seen her in a video before. She's my hairstylist. She was going to do my hair, but she got sick. So now I'm gonna have to fend for myself and do my hair myself. I don't think I'm gonna bring my camera with me to go get my nails done. I'll film when I get back home.
LOL not.
Yeah, I will see you guys in a second. Okay, so I just got home from the nail place. It's like 3 o'clock and I'm far behind because I was supposed to leave at 3 o'clock. This is what my nails look like. She did a really good job, but the lines are kind of sloppy, but it's fine, you know, no one can be perfect. So I need to like rush and get my stuff together, do my hair. I think I'm just gonna curl my hair at her house. I just need to pack my bag and then do what I want to do with my hair and then leave, because it's 33 and I need to be at her house by like 3:45, like the latest 4, but that will only give me an hour to do my makeup, so I need to go. Okay, let me go now. Okay, so change of plans. I'm really stressed out. I'm like freaking out. I'm like on the verge of tears. It's just been a really bad morning. So I'm not going to my friend's house. I'm just getting ready here. My hair looks like this. I'm not happy with it at all because my flowers are going to come out at the end of the night. I'm just like trying to keep it together. But I'm just going to do my makeup here and then I'm going to come back home after because I'm just really stressed out right now. I'm going to show you guys. I'm just going to time lapse my makeup. And, yeah.
All I do is adore you all of the time. I like to I like to I like to love you every day. I like to love you, I'd like to love you, if I may, if I may. I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you, night and day, if I may. I'd like to I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you. All I do is adore you all of the time. I'd like to I'd like to I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you, if I may, if I may. I'd like to love you,
I don't have any time.
to love you, I like to love you night and day, if I may. I'd like to I'd like to love you every day. I'd like like to love you, love you. All I do is adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to.
I don't know. What time is it?
I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you.
Guys, I'm literally so stressed right now. Like, oh my gosh. I can't do this. You know, prom's supposed to be like this really fun time with your friends. Oh my gosh, I am so stressed right now. Like, you don't even know. Just calm down.
I like to love you, love you. I like to.
Oh my gosh.
All I do is adore you all of the time. I like to.
I can't do this. Oh my gosh.
I like to love you every day.
No. I can't do this. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm almost there.
I like to love you, if I may, if I may.
Oh my gosh, I can't breathe.
I like to love you, love you. I like to love you night and day, if I may, may.
I'm done. So, that was really bad. Me and my friend got there. First, before we get into this, I just want to say that I thought the prom started at 7, but it really started at 8. And we were like the first ones there, and we had plenty of time, and I just stressed so much. So it was just a rough day. So, okay, continue watching. And the quality's bad because my computer sucks, and it's just horrible, and oh my. And it was a mess. I felt like I didn't fit in. I felt like everyone around me was just talking about me in a weird way. I just felt weird there. And it was nothing like the movies. It was nothing like anyone says. Like, honestly really sad about it because, like, ever since I was little, I always dreamed about having this perfect prom and having a date, and it was just nothing how I expected it. I feel so beautiful right now. Like, I feel like $1,000,000. And it sucks because I feel like I have to have a guy tell me that I'm beautiful to really know that I am. And, like, all my friends took pictures together, and it was just not fun. So, like, anyone that's had a bad prom experience or that didn't like their prom, please tell me I'm not the only one. And I'm sick, so that makes it even worse. And the whole time was just not fun at all. And I just think about, like, oh my gosh, my wedding is gonna be so fun. So I guess that's what I'm looking forward to. Prom was a fail, and I'm just going to bed now. I really wish I could give you guys some good footage and tell you guys that it was really fun and that, like, it was the best night of my life and that I'll never forget it, but it was not fun. And it's not like the movies. It's nothing like the movies. I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully a more cheery video. It will make me more happy. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye.